In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. CORSAIR K70 Keyboard. The CORSAIR K70 RGB TKL Champion Series mechanical gaming keyboard is designed for competitive esports players, offering a portable, tankless form factor with a detachable USB Type-C cable and tournament mode switch. It features CORSAIR Axon hyperprocessing technology, delivering input speeds up to 8x faster than traditional gaming keyboards with 8000 Hz hyperpolling. The durable aluminum frame is complemented by fully programmable dynamic P-key RGB backlighting, allowing users to customize lighting effects to reflect team colors or personal preferences. The tournament mode ensures a distraction-free gaming experience by activating static backlighting and disabling accidental macro presses. Additionally, the keyboard boasts precision mold PBT double-shot keycaps, which resist wear and fading, and are designed for enhanced durability and stability with a 1.5 mm thickness. Number 2. Razer BlackWidow V3. The Razer 68-key mechanical gaming keyboard is a high-performance device designed for PC gamers, featuring 3 modes of connectivity: Bluetooth for power efficiency, hyperspeed wireless for lag-free gaming, and USB-C for charging during use. Equipped with yellow mechanical switches, the keyboard offers smooth, silent keystrokes with reduced sound, making it ideal for gaming without distractions. Powered by Razer Chroma RGB, it boasts 16.8 million colors and dynamic effects that sync with your setup. With up to 200 hours of battery life, it ensures long gaming sessions, and the double-shot ABS keycaps provide durability, maintaining clear key labels even after extensive use. Additionally, the keyboard includes Razer Snap Tap functionality via Razer Synapse 4, which enhances in-game movement with customizable key prioritization. Number 3. HyperX Alloy Origins Keyboard. The HyperX 60% mechanical gaming keyboard is a compact and portable keyboard designed for gaming enthusiasts. Its petite 61-key layout frees up space for mouse movements, making it ideal for tight setups. The keyboard features a durable full aircraft-grade aluminum body, ensuring stability even during intense gameplay. It's equipped with double-shot PBT keycaps, providing resistance to wear, friction, and solvents, with secondary functions printed on the sides for easy access. Powered by HyperX's custom-designed mechanical switches, it offers fast and accurate performance, rated for 80 million key presses. The RGB backlit keys with radiant lighting effects provide vibrant and customizable illumination. Additionally, it offers advanced customization through HyperX Ingenuity, allowing users to adjust game mode, macros, and P-key lighting. The keyboard is also highly portable, with a detachable USB-C cable and adjustable tilt angles for personalized comfort during use. Number 4. Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. The Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro is a premium gaming keyboard designed for PC gamers, featuring a range of high-performance attributes. Equipped with Razer's yellow mechanical switches, it delivers quick, smooth, and silent key presses, enhanced by built-in sound dampeners for quiet operation. The keyboard boasts immersive P-key RGB lighting and a striking 3-side underglow that syncs with your setup, providing a dynamic gaming experience. It includes a programmable command dial and 8 dedicated macro keys, allowing for personalized functions and easier access to key binds. The magnetic plush leatherette wrist rest with underglow ensures comfort during long gaming sessions, while the double-shot ABS keycaps are durable and resistant to wear. Additional features include a multifunction roller and for media keys for convenient control over volume and media playback. Razer Synapse 4 enhances the experience with Snap Tap technology, offering responsive in-game movement. As the #1 selling PC gaming peripherals brand in the US, Razer continues to lead with cutting-edge technology and exceptional build quality. Number 5. Logitech G915X Keyboard. The Logitech G915X Lightspeed is a full-size wireless gaming keyboard designed for performance, style, and precision. It features tri-mode connectivity, allowing seamless switching between 2.4 GHz lightspeed wireless, Bluetooth, or USB-C wired connections. With low-profile GL mechanical switches, it provides quick, precise key presses with an actuation point of just 1.3 mm for faster actions. The keyboard is equipped with advanced controls, including 9 customizable G keys, media controls, and a volume roller. Its durable design includes a brushed aluminum topplate and double-shot PBT keycaps for a premium feel. The RGB backlighting offers over 16.8 million color options, which can be customized and synced with other Logitech G devices via G Hub. With impressive battery life of up to 36 hours with RGB at full brightness, it supports long gaming sessions and offers the option to play while charging. At just 23 mm high, the G915X blends cutting-edge performance with a sleek, modern aesthetic.